Yes, hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our science class with a worksheet based on chapter 2, which is your microorganisms, friend and foe, right? We did this chapter. We already have done a lot of worksheets about this chapter. So again, I have prepared one more worksheet for this. Okay, now we will start with the one word answers. Yes, Rashi, are you ready? Manan, you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rashi, you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now name two diseases which are caused by virus. वायरस से कौन सी दो diseases होती हैं? Yes, बेटा. Can anyone tell me what are the two diseases which are
Common cold
yes
and
common
coronavirus.
yes common cold and the most recent is corona, right? COVID. Okay, so it's the disease which is the latest one. Okay, the protozoa. Yes, protozoa. Rashi, tell me, beta, what are the two diseases which are caused by protozoa?
Okay, ma'am.
Anji.
Ma'am,
Yes, Manan. Yes.
malaria.
Yes. Very good.
And the
Malaria.
other one is giardia.
Malaria and
Giardia.
diarrhea. Diarrhea.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Diarrhea. Okay. Manan, is it okay कि diarrhea है protozoan disease? चलो, we'll confirm this. Okay, fine. Bacterial disease. The diseases which are caused by bacteria. Bacteria.
I don't know.
अरे बैक्टीरिया से तो बहुत सारी होती हैं, जैसे
Typhoid.
yes, typhoid. Then you have tuberculosis, right? So डायरिया की बजाय अगर हम डायसेंट्री लिखें प्रोटोजोन डिजीज में तो दैट विल बी बेटर. ओके, डायसेंट्री, right? Okay. Now you have to name the following. Name two single-celled microorganisms. कोई भी दो unicellular organism बताइए मुझे.
Bacteria and virus.
Yes, bacteria, virus. Rashi, now you tell two multicellular microorganisms. Multicellular. Yes, बेटा, multicellular microorganisms कौन से होते हैं? मनन आप बताओ. Multicellular microorganisms. I'm talking about microorganisms जो multicellular होते हैं.
Sponge and fungi.
एक तो fungi, ठीक है, और
Sponge.
yeast, right? Okay, microorganisms which live alone, जो अकेले रहना पसंद करते हैं. Bacteria. Okay. Then microorganisms which live in colonies, that is fungi and yeast. Okay. Diseases caused by cattle in diseases caused in cattle by microorganisms. कोई भी एक disease का नाम बता दो. कोई भी disease का नाम बता दो बेटा. Diseases which are caused in cattle but by microbes. Yes. Yes, बेटा राशि. हाँ जी. हाँ जी बेटा. Tell me the disease which is caused in cattle by microbe.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. Name the disease which is caused in cattle by microbes. By
Microbes.
हाँ जी. हाँ जी बेटा बताओ.
Second.
हाँ जी, हाँ हाँ जरूर.
Ma'am, tuberculosis.
ट्यूबरकुलोसिस ठीक है, और कोई जो स्पेसिफिकली Anthrax, yes, it is anthrax. Okay. चलिए. Now next, Rashi, you have to define the fermentation. Yes, beta.
Okay.
हाँ जी. Define fermentation.
Chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast, or another microorganism,
Okay.
typically involving emphasis and giving out of heat.
बेटा ये जो फर्मेंटेशन होता है ना, इट इज स्पेसिफिकली देयर डन बाय ईस्ट. ठीक है, ये ईस्ट से की को जब करता है,
वो जब नॉन एरोबिकली
Yes.
तो उसे फर्मेंटेशन कहते हैं.
yes, anaerobic
अल्कोहल प्रिपेयर करने के लिए यूज करते हैं.
anaerobic breakdown of glucose, the process of anaerobic breakdown of glucose into alcohol
by
yes. ठीक है बेटा, by yeast is known as fermentation. What are antibodies? Define antibodies.
antibodies
Ma'am,
are
it is a blood.
Hmm.
It is a blood protein produced in response to the response to a specific antigen. Antibodies combine chemically with substances when body recognizes as alien, such as bacteria, viruses, and foreign substances in the body.
Manan, would you define antibodies?
some substances which are created by our body to defend us from diseases.
Yes, they are formed against some disease. They have got specific antigens. Yes, Rashi was correct, and they are quite specific in fighting. ऐसा नहीं होगा जो टाइफाइड के लिए एंटीबॉडी बना वही एंटीबॉडी आपका ट्यूबरकुलोसिस के लिए भी फाइट कर लेगा. नो. सो कैसे बोलोगे आप? Antibodies are defined to be as the protein molecules, right, prepared by our body to fight against microorganisms, right? Okay. Now, you have to tell me a word for the following statements. Chemicals added to food to prevent growth of microorganisms. Yes. ऐसे केमिकल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम जो फूड में ऐड करते हैं और उसकी वजह से देयर इज नो ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स. यस, दे आर प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. नो, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. हम एक जनरल नाम दे रहे हैं बेटा, जनरल एक टर्म देनी है आपने, सो दैट विल बी प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. ओके, आपने शायद ये सोच लिया कि शायद एक एग्जांपल देना है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो नेक्स्ट. Nitrogen fixing microorganisms present in the root nodules of legumes.
Rhizobium.
Yes, it is rhizobium. Agents which spread pathogens from one place to another. वो agents जो pathogens को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फैलाते रहते हैं, कौन होते हैं वो? They are known as vectors. Okay. Chemicals which kill or stop the growth of pathogens. Antibiotics. Clear? Okay. Now Rashi, you have to now give the chemical. No, sorry. You have to give me the examples. 2 examples for each. Okay. Number 1 is your chemical preservatives. Chemical preservatives के कोई भी 2 example आप मुझे दे दो. Yes बेटा. हमारा था ना, we had this thing, sodium benzoate, right? For example, है ना, याद आ गया? सोडियम क्या था? बेंजोएट, और क्या था साथ में? सोडियम मेटाबाई सल्फाइड. ठीक है, सोडियम मेटाबाई सल्फाइड. ओके. अब आपने मुझे दो एग्जांपल्स बताने हैं. फूड विच इज प्रिजर्व बाय एडिंग कॉमन सॉल्ट. हम कॉमन सॉल्ट जब ऐड करते हैं तो किन चीजों को बचाने के लिए करते हैं? ऐसे दो फूड्स का आपने मुझे एग्जांपल देना है. हमारे घर में अचार डलता है, तो अचार एक दो तीन तरह का डलता है ना, तो उसमें हम क्या डालते हैं? लाइक द स्पेसिफिक अचार जिसमें हम सॉल्ट यूज करते हैं, दैट इज रॉ मैंगोज, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
रॉ
And
मैंगोज का.
lemon?
हाँ जी, सॉरी, लेमन में आप शुगर भी ऐड कर लेते हो, ऊपर कर सकते हो, राइट? जो नमकीन बनाते हैं, राइट? उसके बाद फिश को आप प्रिजर्व करते हो कॉमन सॉल्ट डाल के. ओके, द फूड्स विच आर प्रिजर्व बाय एडिंग शुगर. शुगर के साथ क्या होता है? जैम्स, जेलीज, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. फूड विच इज प्रिजर्व बाय एडिंग ऑयल एंड विनेगर. ऑयल और विनेगर को हम किन चीजों को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए यूज करते हैं? दे आर फिश, मीट, then some kind of vegetables, fruits, है ना? अचार में भी डालते हैं. we use it in pickles also. ठीक है जी?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next. Now you have to complete the paragraph. The bacterium dash lives in the root nodules of dash plants.
Rhizobium of
Yes. Rhizobium कहाँ रहता है?
leguminous plants.
Yes, very good. The bacterium Rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Very good. Next, such as dash and dash.
Pulses and
Yes, pulses and yes,
wheat.
no, peas. In a dash relationship. इस relationship को क्या बोलते हैं? In a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic का मतलब होता है दोनों लोगों को फायदा हो रहा है. राइजोबियम को भी फायदा है और उस प्लांट को भी फायदा है. It fixes atmospheric dash. Yes. इसको फिक्स कर देता है वो नाइट्रोजन. Okay, clear beta? Now we are going to do the MCQs related to this chapter. Number one is, which of the following reproduces only inside a host cell? मतलब वो सिर्फ होस्ट सेल के इनसाइड ही रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, अदरवाइज नहीं कर सकता. कौन है बेटा? बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, अमीबा और फंगस. यस, इट इज वायरस.
Number that
Yes. A disease in human beings caused by virus is. Virus कौन क्या चीज cause करता है?
Typhoid.
No, typhoid is a bacterial disease. Influenza, dysentery या cholera?
influenza.
Influenza. Yes, it is the viral disease. Okay, next is pathogenic microorganisms present in host cells are killed by medicines called. ऐसी कौन सी मेडिसिन होती है?
Antibiotic.
एंटीबायोटिक्स. पेन किलर, एंटीबॉडीज, एंटीबायोटिक्स या वैक्सीन. पेन किलर आपके पेन को खत्म करने के लिए है. एंटीबॉडीज जो हैं वो हमारी बॉडी में ही बनते हैं. दोज आर नॉट द मेडिसिन्स. एंटीबायोटिक्स आर द मेडिसिन्स. Okay. The two microorganisms which live in symbiotic association in lichens are. So we were doing the fourth MCQ. The two microorganisms which live in symbiotic association in lichens are, as you have texted me the option, it is B option, alga and fungus. Yes. Okay. Now the gas released during the preparation of bread. Yes. Bread की preparation में कौन सी gas release होती है बेटा?
Ma'am, CO2.
Yes, it is CO2. Very good. It is CO2, which is your carbon dioxide. वो carbon dioxide release होती है, इसीलिए वो उसके अंदर जो holes बनते हैं या आप sponginess जो आती है, that is because of this carbon dioxide only. Okay, now, yes. पहेली dug two pits A and B in her garden. ठीक है बेटा, उसने दो pits को dug किया. In pit A, she put a polythene bag packed with some agricultural waste. ठीक है. In pit B, she dumped the same kind of waste but without packing it in a polythene bag. Then she covered both the pits with soil. So what did she observe after a month? उसने क्या observe किया? Waste in pit A degraded faster than that in pit B, या फिर waste in pit B that degraded faster than that in pit A waste in both pits degraded almost equally, या waste in both pits did not degrade at all.
And B option.
Yes, B option, क्योंकि
पॉलीथीन को बहुत टाइम लगता है
yes,
degrade
पॉलिथीन जो है it is almost non biodegradable. उसको अगर degrade होना भी है तो it will take around 1000 years उसको decompose होने में लगते हैं. So within a month तो बाल भी बांका नहीं होगा उसका, right? Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid या फिर oxygen.
and CO2. You say alcohol.
Alcohol, क्योंकि हमने इसके definition में ही किया है fermentation when the sugar is broken down anaerobically to produce alcohol. Okay? अब आपने मुझे बताना है the following is an antibiotic. कौन सी इनमें से antibiotic है? Sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol या yeast?
Streptomycin.
Yes, streptomycin. Okay. It was in my last session. I was doing these questions, and this type of question came. And one of the students said, "Ma'am, ये वाला नाम ना थोड़ा डॉक्टर वाला लग रहा है, इसीलिए यही एंटीबायोटिक होगा." So don't go by that. Mycin जो है, that denotes your fungal thing. तो उससे आप आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि yes, this is antibiotic. जैसे कि streptomycin, erythromycin, ये सारे क्या है एंटीबायोटिक्स की फैमिली है. Don't go in for कि यार ये वाला नाम ना कुछ डॉक्टरों वाली फीलिंग आ रही है इसको देख के, है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं सोचना. कैरियर ऑफ मलेरिया, अब राशि सोच सकती है किसने बोला होगा. डोंट नेम दैट थिंग. ओके. कैरियर ऑफ मलेरिया कॉजिंग प्रोटोजोन इज फीमेल एनोफ्लीज. यस, इट इज फीमेल एनोफ्लीज, बट हम रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑप्शन पढ़ लेते हैं. दे आर कॉकरोच, हाउसफ्लाई एंड बटरफ्लाई. हाँ जी. द मोस्ट कॉमन कैरियर ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस इज, बहुत कॉमन कौन सा है? एंट है, हाउसफ्लाई. यस, मक्खी जो होती है बहुत तंग करती है, राइट? Dragonfly, spider, no, that is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells या फिर kneading.
Ma'am, growth of yeast cells.
Yes, it is growth of yeast cells. Very good, both of you. The process of conversion of glucose into alcohol is called
Fermentation.
Yes, it is fermentation. Ma'am didn't find the need of taking up all the options. Very good. Chale, now we will do the fill in the blanks. Yes, microorganisms can be seen with the help of a
Microscope.
Microscope.
Yes, it is microscope. Okay. Next, blue-green algae fix dash directly from air to enhance fertility of soil.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Yes, it is nitrogen. वो क्या करते हैं? नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स कर देते हैं, बिकॉज वी नो जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो डायरेक्ट नाइट्रोजन नहीं ले सकते. दे कैन टेक अप नाइट्रोजन ओनली व्हेन इट इज देयर इन द वाटर सोल्यूबल फॉर्म, राइट? ओके. अल्कोहल इज प्रोड्यूस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ
Fermentation.
या फर्मेंटेशन और ईस्ट, दोनों हम लिख सकते हैं. तो वी विल राइट बोथ with the help of fermentation.
With the help of yeast करेंगे. इसमें fermentation तो process ही होगा.
Done by yeast. Now it's fine. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Cholera is caused by
Protozoa.
protozoa or bacteria? It is bacteria. Citrus canker is a dash disease, while rust of wheat is a dash disease caused in plants.
Ma'am, citrus canker, ma'am, communicable है.
No, we have to tell whether किस microorganism से होती है. जैसे citrus canker है, it is a bacterial disease. Okay, it is a bacterial disease.
Rest of wheat.
Rust of wheat जो है वो fungal disease होती है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sometimes atmospheric nitrogen gets fixed by the action of
Thunder.
thunder. Yes, very good. वैसे it was a mere guess, right, Manan?
No.
Thunder and lightning जो भी हम बोलेंगे. Okay, atmosphere of Earth has dash nitrogen. कितना nitrogen present होता है?
78%.
Very good. Okay. Now you have to tell me कि इनमें से ना you have a word which is wrong. Okay, you have to tell me that word and we will correct that word also. चलिए. Root nodules of leguminous plants have oxygen fixing bacteria.
Oxygen की जगह nitrogen.
Ma'am, at place of oxygen, we'll write nitrogen.
Yes, both of you correct. Oxygen is the wrong word. It is nitrogen. Or we can write as N2. Right? Okay. Yeast is used commercially in shoe making industry.
No, ma'am.
At the place of
Cake making.
shoe, it come bakery.
Bakery, bake,
Cake.
cake making, या फिर आप alcohol. That won't be the appropriate word. We can write down alcohol making industry. I think that will be more appropriate. All microorganisms are useful to us.
False.
Some.
Yes.
Some. All के जगह we will write some.
Some.
Antibiotics are effective against diseases caused by viruses.
No.
No.
I'm virus of change.
Yes, वायरस की जगह क्या आएगा? बैक्टीरिया. अदरवाइज इस टाइम पे कोरोना का जो ट्रीटमेंट है वो पॉसिबल हो जाता है, राइट? एंटीबायोटिक्स तो है ही है हमारे पास. Okay. But we are so much worried about this situation that there's still no treatment out there. So let's pray
Yes, ma'am.
and pray to God that everyone should be safe and sound. Okay. Now we'll do the match, the following. Okay. Louis Pasteur, what he did? Pasteur, what he did?
Smallpox vaccine.
No,
No, ma'am.
he was Jenner.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Alexander Fleming,
Ma'am, penicillin.
penicillin. Yes. Now, Robert Koch or Louis Pasteur? Louis Pasteur, I think fermentation. एक बार इसको क्रॉस चेक कर लेते हैं. You consult the book also. Right, it was Louis Pasteur who did, did the thing to find out fermentation. Okay. Robert Koch, he is there with the anthrax bacteria. He is concerned with that. Okay, now the next are the very short answers. Just a second. Okay, now you have to tell me what are microorganisms. Yes, beta. What are microorganisms? The organisms.
Single cell organism.
No, they can be multicellular also. The organisms which cannot be seen
by
with
the
naked eye. Yes, the microorganisms are which cannot be seen with an aided eye.
Fungus.
Yes, for example, bacteria.
Okay.
Okay. What are the grayish white patches that appear on moist bread? Yes, Rashi.
And spores.
Spores, yes, very good. तो spores होते किस चीज के हैं वो?
Fungus.
Spores भी होते हैं. चलिए. What do you observe when you focus a drop of pond water, clear water above mud under a microscope? Yes. आपको उसमें क्या दिखाई देगा? You will be able to see a lot of microorganisms in that. Okay, बहुत सारे microorganisms नजर आएंगे आपको. Lot of microorganisms. Okay. Can organisms be seen with the naked eye?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
How can they be seen? Yes. No, they can't be seen. Right? But with microscope, we are able to see them. Okay. What are the major groups of microorganisms? Microorganisms के major group क्या हैं? राशि आप बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
Major groups of microorganisms.
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Bacteria, then fungus. Yes, beta. Protozoa. Yes. बताओ मनन, आप बताओ बेटा. बैक्टीरिया, फंगस, प्रोटोजोआ, वायरस. और भी कोई है? Is there anything which is left out? That is covered in virus only. Okay. Now, what are communicable diseases?
The mixed bread, silver tab.
The communicable disease, they spread from person to person, right? Yeah, from one organism to other organism. Okay. Other diseases. Which spread from infected person, yeah, infected organism to the healthy ones. Give some examples of communicable diseases.
Common cold.
Yes, very good. Yes, common cold. Then you have COVID-19. Then HIV.
Fever.
No, fever can't be spread out like this. Okay, now list few common diseases caused by viruses. ये तीनों ही same हैं because these all are viral diseases. So again we will write common cold. Okay. Now tell me, where do viruses reproduce? वो कहाँ reproduce करते हैं?
Come in the host cell.
Yes, they will reproduce inside the host cells. Okay. Now Rashi, you tell me, name the carrier of malarial parasite.
Can you repeat?
Yeah. Name the carrier of malarial parasite.
Malarial parasite.
Ma'am, female.
Female Anopheles.
Female Anopheles.
Yes. Mosquito. And what about the dengue? It is again female.
Anopheles.
No, not Anopheles. Aedes. Okay. Mosquito. Okay. Name the process in yeast that converts sugars into alcohol.
Fermentation.
Yes, fermentation. Name one commercial use of yeast.
Ma'am, used in making alcohol.
Alcohol, baking industry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर जैसे हम कुछ बेक कर रहे हैं तो हमें यीस्ट नहीं डालना अगर तो CO2 अगर नहीं प्रोड्यूस होगा तब तो आएगा
तो वो फ्लफी नहीं बनेगा, it will be hard, right? चलिए, how are microorganisms important in agriculture?
when they are useful because they rhizobium bacteria help in nitrogen.
Yes. Or
they decompose the soil so that it can be used. Because the decomposed soil is
so the very first point is the microorganisms help to fix the nitrogen, right? So yes, because of their nitrogen fixation, वो हमारी soil की जो nitrogen requirement है उसको fulfill कर देता है, right? So it fulfills thereby making the soil fertile. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, in the soil, which nutrient is enriched by the blue-green algae?
Ma'am, phosphorus.
Phosphorus or nitrogen?
Nitrogen, cyanide.
Okay. Okay. Now name the microorganism which promotes the formation of curd. कर्ड की फॉर्मेशन कौन बढ़ाता है, प्रमोट करता है?
Lactobacillus.
यस, वेरी गुड, इट इज लैक्टोबैसिलस. ओके मनन, याद रखना है इसको. यस. नाउ टेल मी, स्टेट यूजेस ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स इन किचन. कर्ड, यस, कर्ड फॉर्मेशन.
And baking. Yeast.
यस, इन बेकिंग. और कोई बता सकते हो राशि इसके अलावा?
मैम अल्कोहल नहीं, अल्कोहल फॉर्मेशन तो फैक्ट्रीज में होता है.
इडलीज और राइट
मैम हम
ईस्ट यूज करेंगे.
मैम इन भटूरास आल्सो.
यस, भटूरास आल्सो. ईस्ट डलता है. Okay, now name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil.
Rhizobium.
Rhizobium. Okay. Next is beta. Why is curd used as an ingredient in making rava idli and bhatura?
Curd.
Yes, curd.
Curd.
Yes, it is sour. Then it has got microorganisms which help in the formation of carbon dioxide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Curd has microorganisms which help release CO2 and making them fluffy, making them spongy
Fluffy.
and fluffy. Okay, which microorganism is used for commercial production of alcohol, wine and vinegar?
Yeast.
Yeast, yes, very good. It is yeast. Next, beta, what is the source of antibiotics? It is formed from किससे बनती है?
Ma'am, fungi.
Yes, very good. It is the source of antibiotics are the fungus.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Just give me. Yes, name some antibiotics produced by fungi and bacteria.
So, ma'am, the antibiotic produced by fungi is penicillin, and by algae and by bacteria is streptomycin.
Streptomycin. Yes, erythromycin. Okay, chalo. Name few diseases which can be prevented by vaccination. Polio, very good. Yes, Rashi. Polio, then DPT. These are the three diseases. Then smallpox.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Okay, why should we avoid standing close to a tuberculosis patient while he or she is coughing?
Because it spread when he or she gets spread germs.
Yes, tuberculosis is an communicable disease, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So हमें ये infected person से healthy person में हो सकती है. That is why we have to make a considerable distance between the patient and us. Similarly, with corona also, the basic line of treatment at this point is only the social distancing.
Distancing.
Yes. Oh, I wrote the distance. It is, I had to write disease and I was writing distance. Okay. How has smallpox been eradicated from the world?
By vaccination.
Yes, by the phenomena of vaccination.
Pulse polio.
No, it is for polio, pulse polio. Smallpox के लिए you have that injections, inoculations inject किए जाते हैं. So it has been eradicated from the world by the process, yeah, by the phenomena of vaccination. What are biological nitrogen fixers?
Biological nitrogen.
Yes,
Riboflavin.
yes. They are the organisms which fix nitrogen, the atmospheric nitrogen, yes, into water-soluble compounds. No, they are asking the biological. That is a physical. Okay. So they are the organisms which fix atmospheric nitrogen into water soluble form. Okay. Okay. What materials are decomposed and composed to make manure?
Ma'am, cow dung.
Yes. If they are basically biodegradable.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, वो decay करते जाएंगे और क्या हो जाएगा वो?
मैन्योर बन जाएगा.
मैन्योर बन जाएगा. So material कौन से हुए बेटा? They are actually plant and animal waste. Animal waste.
Fruits and vegetable peels.
Yes, बिल्कुल. Plant based में आ गया ना बेटा? Okay. Name the bacteria which causes anthrax disease. कौन सा बैक्टीरिया कॉज करता है? अब बताओ जरा. बैक्टीरिया करता है बट कौन सा करता है? यस राशि.
मैं भी सोच रही हूँ, समझ नहीं आ
Okay.
रहा मुझे.
Manan, you tell बेटा. I'm waiting. Yes. Rashi, think faster. Otherwise, Manan will win the thing.
No.
Right?
I have read it somewhere yesterday.
Okay.
So I think so that it is Bacillus anthracis.
Bacillus
Anthracis.
anthracis. Yes.
Is it right?
Yes, this is right. Right. But although we don't have that in our syllabi, लेकिन it is bacillus only. Bacillus form होता है. उसकी shape कैसी होती है बेटा? It is the rod shaped bacteria. ठीक है जी?
Yes, ma'am.
How does the dead organic matter disappear from our environment? Yes, it gets by the process of decomposition by microorganisms. Okay. How could food poisoning occur?
Ma'am, the food poisoning occurs when we swallow food or water that contains bacteria, parasites, viruses, or the toxins made by these germs. Most cases are caused by common bacteria such as Streptococcus.
Uh, हाँ एस्परजिलोसिस होता है बेटा, कैंड फूड में बेसिकली होता है, और फूड पॉइजनिंग इज वेरी हार्मफुल. ओके, व्हाट इज पेस्चराइजेशन?
Quickly heating and then cooling the
सडनली कूलिंग इज नोन एज पेस्चराइजेशन. इससे क्या होता है, आपके काफी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो है वो दे आर डेड, एंड इट इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉलोड इन केस ऑफ मिल्क. ठीक है,
मिल्क.
अब तो नहीं कर सकते वरना सारे वही मर